Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to complete the beginner main story quest in Heartopia. Okay, let's get started. First, just log into the game, and on the main screen, just tap on the watch icon, then open memo, and then just tap on main quest like this. Just tap on welcome to the guild like this, and just make sure you see the stop tracking button at the bottom. This means the quest is active and currently in progress, and now you'll be asked to change your title. Just tap the watch icon again like this. Just tap on it and then just tap on your profile icon, and after that just tap on pencil icon and then tap on edit title, and then just customize your prefix, connective, and suffix. Just choose one that you like and then just tap on use and go back, and then you will see the quest is complete like this. And finally just return to the NPC Annie to confirm the quest. And okay, that's it. You have successfully completed the beginner main story quest in Heartopia. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.